Lesson 1-14. Write and solve proportion problems. Here is a proportion. 4 to 7 equals m to 42. I need to make up a story to go along with this proportion and then solve it. Miss Shaver fills each vase with 4 roses and 7 daisies. How many roses will she use if she fills a vase with 42 daisies? So to solve this problem, I could do a factor puzzle, or I could do the dividing method that we learned yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and do a factor puzzle. So on one side we're going to have roses, and on the other side daisies. And I'm just setting it up. Oh, and I have numbers down there and over there. Okay, so I know from the problem that there are 4 roses for every 7 daisies. I also know that we're talking about a vase filled with 42 daisies. Okay, 7 and 42, well, they both have 7 in common. That's a 7 right there. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 1 is 7. That would be a 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Bring down the 4. So 4 times 6 is 24. So my answer would be 24 roses. Let me show you a second way of solving it. So I set up a table and I've got my basic ratio up here, 4 roses to 7 daisies, and I know that there's 42 daisies. So I'm going to think, how can I go from here to here? What can I divide by? Well, I know I can divide by 6 because I know my math facts. So over here, some number also divided by 6 is going to give me 4. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So I know 4 times 6 is 24. So that is the second way to solve it. Today you learned how to write and solve proportion problems.